I'm breaking down 5 ridiculously easy steps to create a lead magnet that not only grabs attention, but automatically gets delivered to new subscribers on autopilot using Mailchimp. Let's go. You probably know that growing your email list is key to building a successful business. But here's the catch. You can't just ask people to sign up and hope they do it out of the kindness of their hearts. That's where a lead magnet comes in. So here are the 5 must-follow steps to create a killer lead magnet. Step 1. Start with your audience's biggest problem before you even think about what to create. Ask yourself, what's one problem my audience desperately wants solved? Here's an example. If you're a business coach, your audience might struggle with pricing their services. If you're a fitness coach, maybe they need help with meal planning. Your lead magnet should be a quick win, something that gives them instant relief from that specific problem. Step 2, keep it simple and actionable. Your lead magnet isn't a novel. It should be something quick and useful. A checklist, a template, a script, a short video tutorial. Here's an example. If you teach social media marketing, don't give them a 50-page strategy guide. Instead, give them 5 copy-paste Instagram captions that increase engagement. Step 3, make it visually appealing. People judge books by their covers. Sorry, it's true. And lead magnets by their design. Even if your content is gold, a bad-looking PDF will make it look like junk. Use Canva, a simple design tool for free, to make it visually appealing. Add your branding, such as your logo, your colors, your fonts, and to build that credibility. Keep it clean and scannable. No one wants a wall of text. Step 4, deliver it instantly. No one wants to wait for a freebie they signed up for. Make sure your lead magnet is automatically delivered when someone subscribes. This is where Mailchimp customer journeys come in. And here's how you set that up. For the Mailchimp homepage, under the Quick Actions tab here at the top, click on Create an Automation. This will take you to the pre-built journeys under the Automations tab. We're looking for Welcome New Contacts. Here it is right here. Click on that. It'll tell you what it's going to do, and then we can click on Use this journey. We're going to assign it to an audience. Click Continue. So whenever anyone signs up to this list, they will get this email. So let's go ahead and quickly create an email that will not only welcome new subscribers, but also provide a link to our lead magnet. So we'll click on it, and you'll have some options here. You can edit the to from, the subject line, which we will change, something like that, and click Save. Let's go ahead and design our email. So we'll click on Select a Template. You can use an existing template that you've already saved, or use one of the basic ones that Mailchimp provides. We'll click on Simple Text here and click Apply. We'll remove that bottom image there, that bottom logo, and we'll add in some content here real quickly. We've added in some text here. You can add in other elements such as images and that type of thing. But I think this is good enough just for a simple welcome email. And for the main call to action here is for a person to feel welcome and also to grab their lead magnet. So we've got hey blank, and in the blank area, we're going to use merge tags, and we're going to grab our first name. So now we have a first name. So when a person signs up, their first name will be inserted into our welcome email. And then right here, it says, grab your coaching planning session guide right here. So I'm going to highlight that text. And at the very top on the menu here where it says link, we're going to click on that. Now, there are options in which you'll have to host your lead magnet. Now, you can upload it directly to Mailchimp, but there are some restrictions there, especially on the size of your lead magnet. You can't be more than 10 megabytes. So if you have a large PDF file, you may consider to host it elsewhere. Now, you could host it on your own website or Google Drive or Dropbox or something like that. For this example, we're just going to put in a link to my website and click on Save. And so that's how we add the link. Now for the button, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to change out the text and call this Download the Coaching Planning Session Guide here. And then over on the right-hand side, you'll see here that we have a link to. So we'll just do my website again so you get the gist. Okay. Now under styles, you can change out the button color. You can make it more rounded. You can center it like that. I think that looks a little bit better. And for the button color, maybe we'll make it a little bit more auburn or something like that. So you can tweak it as you see fit with your own branding style, but we're just using this as an example. So once your welcome email is done with a link to your lead magnet, click on Save and Return to Journey. And then what we can do is add additional journey steps. So you can add in additional emails, maybe put in a wait trigger. So you wait a day and send out another email selected from the left-hand side here. Or if you've got a phone number and you've got SMS set up, you can do, a text message to your contact. For now though, since this is very simple, we're just going to click on Turn On so that anyone who signs up to our list will get this welcome email. And that's it. Now, every time someone signs up, they get your freebie automatically, no extra work from you. Step 5, connect it to your offer. Here's where most people mess up. They create an awesome lead magnet, but it has nothing to do with what they sell. Your lead magnet should attract the right audience and lead them toward your paid offer. Here's an example. If you're a mindset coach, a lead magnet like daily affirmations for confidence makes sense because it leads naturally to your coaching services. Biggest takeaway in all this, your lead magnet isn't just about getting emails. It's about attracting the right people who actually want what you offer. A random freebie will fill your list with random people, but a targeted lead magnet, that's how you get subscribers who turn into customers. Now, tell me in the comments below what lead magnet idea you've been thinking about. And I'll see you in the next video.